lesson, session 3, and we're going to take some of the abstract techniques that we've been looking at and you've been working on, and apply them to something that you can play. The idea being here that if you play a couple of tunes that you're very familiar with, you're gonna learn the techniques and learn how to apply them, gain strength and confidence, etc., etc. So we started talking about the blues thing, E, A, and B7. Well, these are thirds, and they're used in many popular songs. And if we go to Brown Eyed Girl, we're going to outline the E chord, we're going to outline the A chord, we're going to outline the E chord again, then we're going to resolve with a B lick. And it's as opposed to the blues sing, which was minor, this is all major, which has a different sound. So, it goes like this. Yeah, a little reggae here, but you get the idea. So you can play that, and you know the opening lick, so it's a matter of getting it fluid. And we spoke about another song that's quite popular, and I know you know it. And you remember in the first couple lessons, we're talking about the blues sing again? Okay, well, what about... So the Joker, I'm not going to embarrass myself by singing it, but very similar to the... Now we spoke about Steve Earle, Cooperhead Road, and you played a bit of it, and you played it like a folkie. That's okay. There's other things you can do with the D chord. You can lift the finger. What about hammer on the A? Slide. Workshops. Oh yeah, and then the D chord harmonics. Right there, makes a D chord. So there you go. Work on some of those techniques. Sing the songs, learn the words, and play and just gain the confidence. Play it right, and it's going to take you a little time, Do you have all the components? Enjoy.